First of all, open new assembly in Solidworks. Go to design library and from bolt and screws. And from ANSI metric standard, select bolt and screws and then machine screws. Then drop a hexagonal bolt in the graphic window. From here, select the size or pitch of a screw and as well as its length. You can see here is the thread display type. First is simplified. Okay. You can join our Solidworks advanced level training course on Udemy. Again go to design library, drop another screw in the graphic window and select the size as well as length of the screw and select the thread display style option, that is Cosmetic. Okay, so you have selected a simplified as well as Cosmetic. Repeat your last step again. Drop screw here in the graphic window. Again go to the thread display style and select Schematic. This is the actual threads that are being displayed in this 3D model of a screw or a hexagonal bolt. Okay, so in this way we learned today how you can display different styles of threads. Thank you for watching.